Well, are you a beginner on PayPal? Let me guide you through some basic steps on the application itself, or it can be on the web as well. The process is similar either on the web or on the app. First thing, you need to sign up. Signing up is pretty simple. You need a valid email address and a valid phone number to sign up. Later on, you can add in your banking details to verify. Now, once you're verified, once you open up, you'll get interface somewhat like this. Unfortunately, my account is not verified, but you'll get interface similar, somewhat like this. Like send money, you'll also find the receive money tab. You can select send money option, and what you can do is you can select your contact, and if they have the PayPal account, you'll be able to send them money right away. You can choose, tap on next. You can also add a note, and you'll also have to add in your banking details. To add in your banking details, to add in wallet or load funds, you can head over to the wallet tab at the bottom right corner. Then you can select add cards option, and you can proceed to add in your bank itself, or you can add in your bank's debit or credit card to set as a payment method. Right. So it's pretty simple. You can also head over to menu icon at the top left, and you can find various list of options that you can easily know what they are. You can also head over to your profile, and you'll be able to make certain changes on your contact info and your settings, that is your account settings. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.